Configuring the router. Verify that your router is powered on. Examine the router to locate the reset button. In most cases, the reset button is labeled accordingly. If not, look for a small button or pinhole button that can only be pressed using the end of a pen or paper clip. Press and hold the reset button for between 10 and 15 seconds. This will restore the router to its original factory settings and reset the password in the process. Now go to your computers. You can choose which PC you will open the router setting. Open a web browser on the computer that is connected to the router. Enter in the IP address of the router into the address bar. In this case, the default IP address of the router we use is 192.168.0.1. Type it and press enter. Your browser will attempt to connect to the router's configuration menu. Log into your router using the default username and password. In this cases, the default username and password will be admin. When you log into your router, you will be taken to the router's main menu or status screen. There will be several options to choose from. The wireless section will allow you to set up your wireless network. Enter a name for your wireless network. In the wireless section, you should see a field labeled SSID or name. Enter a unique name for your wireless network. This is what other devices will see when scanning for networks. Check the box to enable SSID broadcast. Choose a security method. Choose from the list of available security options. For the best security, choose WPA2PSK as the encryption method. This is the most difficult security to crack, and will give you the most protection from hackers and intruders. Once you've chosen your security method, enter in a passphrase for the network. This should be a difficult password, with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Save your settings. On Network section, look for LAN option. This will allow you to change your router's IP address. Change the number on the third part of the IP address. You can choose any number you like with 2 to 3 digits code except for 0. Just remember that once you choose a number, all your IP address in any device would be the same number. Wait until the configuration is successfully completed. After that, just close it. You can now begin to configure the IP address of your computers, and that will be our next video.